Today I took a rest from my machine vision project, and I started playing with the PIC 18F4550, which has been my favorite microcontroller since 2004. That's 20 years ago. I still use it because I think it's a very, very good and reliable processor. I have a 36 volt 20 amp power supply switch mode, a bipolar stepper motor controller, and a stepper motor that is usually used in medical robots. My task today was to just control this motor with this microstep controller. However, as always, I got carried away and I connected a USB to TTL converter to the microcontroller so that I could send commands from my laptop to the microcontroller via Teraterm. At the moment, the microcontroller is waiting for two letters, either C or A, that determine the direction of the motor. So I'm going to press A. This is happening every time, the first time actually. So I am going to press it again, and as we can see, the system is telling me that the motor is stopped. If I press, let's say, a number now, because the system is expecting 0 to 9. So if I press, let's say, number 5, the motor has started turning in the anti-clockwise direction. If I continue pressing numbers from the keyboard, I press number 8 and the motor is turning faster. If I press 9, the motor is turning even faster. If I press 1, the motor is turning at its lowest speed. However, this is not, it could go even slower. The motor could go even slower. Everything is recorded in Teraterm, as can be seen. The Teraterm is telling me, obviously the microcontroller is sending statements back, what is happening. At this time, the motor direction, it is confirming every time the speed has been changed, and the current speed number, as can be seen there. If I want to change the direction of the motor, I could press C. I'm going to press C again. The motor will stop for a second and then it will start turning in the opposite direction. This is clockwise at the moment with the same speed as it was before. Okay, this is confirmed here as well on Teraterm. I'm going to change again the speed by pressing number 4, and obviously here our motor is turning very, very, very smoothly with speed number 4. So again, I am changing the speed of the motor, and as can be seen, the motor speed has increased. Again, I'm going to decrease the speed of the motor, and now I'm going to change the direction of rotation again by pressing A, and again the motor has changed direction and it is turning with the same speed as before. I could have stopped the motor every time I change the direction. However, in my opinion, this is more fun. Today, even though it was raining here in Malta, I still went to swim for 2 hours and then I came back and continued playing with the system until I got it to work as it is right now.